Hi friends, this is Sonia here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my last kit of this season from Crafty Scrappers, and yes, it was a big parcel with so many new their launches and some amazing products, and I was super happy when I got this, and literally I was jumping when I got this. So I would love to share some of the amazing new of their launches from this, and yes, of course, their new stamp sets which are to die for. So now to start with, I would really like to mention about the customized card and the handmade card which they give every time they send us a parcel, and I'm really touched. Being an artist, we always make cards for everyone out there, but getting something from our team is really a big thing, and I really appreciate their effort for always encouraging us, for always making us feel special in some or the other way, and they make sure that they pamper us, they make us feel special. So this was the beautiful card which I got with this kit, as it's a December release set. So the card was related to Christmas theme, and I'm so happy. Now to move on to the next product, they have launched some amazing supplies now, which is really different from the other teams what they come up with, and I am really a big fan of Crafty Scrappers, not because I am in their design team, because yes, they make sure they have all the basic things which a crafter needs. First I'll start with the shimmer pastes. So these are amazing. They have come up with all the colors which is related to Christmas, the New Year's, and the shimmery paste they have is really amazing. And just look at the colors and the shades, the green, the pine wood, the red color, and the blue shades. This is really perfect for all your craft for this December and Jan season. Now moving on to the next, they have even come up with the granule paste, and this is something really amazing and which is going to be very interesting to work with. I will be coming up with a video for this soon. Now the burlap ribbon, this was to die for, because I love using burlap, yes, but getting them locally was a task. And in the tape, it is a really blessing for the crafters. So you can see that it looks small, but it has so much of tape inside it, and I'm going to use it on some crazy products really soon. Now moving on to the next, the stickers, the foam stickers, the glittery foam stickers, and I'm really happy with the way they have worked out on the font, the designing, and with the varieties they have, like the ST and ND and RD, these things which is really make it versatile and perfect. And yes, they have all the details about their product on the back side, and for the beginners it's super easy to read it and use it. Now my favorite thing, the stones, and this can be used in mixed media card making, and yes, like I said, it's a December release, so something very special which you can create with these. Now with the stamp, they have this new Happy New Year stamp set which has three different varieties actually. So now you must be knowing why I love Crafty Scrappers. And with the background stamping, yes, I'm a big fan of their background stamps. And this Christmas, I am going to explore so many things now. The paper roll twine, the jute mesh, and a must for everyone out there. And the last but not the least, the masking sheets. I will open this and I'll show you how thoughtful they are with the packaging, because this comes in an envelope. So you have this hard paper envelope, and inside this you have your masking sheet, so you can, every time you need, you can pick out one, use it, and keep the envelope safe so that all your sheets are really safe. And this was something which I was really looking forward, and I'm really excited to see this packaging and the kind of instructions they have given, and I'm going to prep a video very soon on this. So this is done for my December kit, and I'm really happy to share this video with you all out there. Yes, I should have done few more videos with this, but I'm really sorry I couldn't do that. But yes, I really wanted to share the kind of stuff they give to all their crafters and the way they pamper them. I hope you all liked this video, and in case if you have any queries, please do comment below. I will be happy to help you all, and if you have any suggestions in mind with the kind of video you would like me to do, please mention that below. I will surely do that. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.